Hey, what's up guys and welcome back sa ating channel ang Crypto Whisperer PH. So for today's video guys is another Pi Network update na naman tayo. And pag-uusapan natin ang mga possibilities kung maaari ba siyang mag-list kay Binance Exchange or sa mga iba pang top tier exchanges soon guys, no? And pag-uusapan din natin kung nabanggit ba si Pi Network sa last crypto summit ni President Donald Trump guys, no? So napaka-importanteng malaman natin yan para makita natin or magkaroon tayo ng idea kung gaano ka-bullish or kaganda si Pi Network ngayon guys, no? So bago natin pag-usapan yun, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe dito sa ating channel is mag-subscribe ka na. Huwag mong kalimutang i-like ang ating mga videos na sinishare kagaya nito guys, no? So mag-proceed nga tayo sa X or Twitter account ni Binance. So unahin natin dito kay Binance guys, no? So napakaraming pinopost ni Binance dito pero nagkaroon siya ng update last 17 hours ago, which is ito nga guys, no? So Binance is enhancing its listing mechanism and introducing its new community co-governance mechanism for listing guys, no? So the vote to list and vote to delist mechanism will enable greater community participation and gives user a strong voice in the listing process. So anong ibig sabihin nito guys? Once na na-implement itong listing mechanism via community co-governance guys, is magkakaroon ng power ng community ng isang project like Pi Network guys, no? So pag nangyari yon, automatic sa sobrang dami ng supporters ni Pi Network ay magkakaroon tayo ng chance ang mag-vote to list si Pi Network dito mismo kay Binance guys, no? And meron din silang vote to delist guys, no? So magandang update ito kapag na-implement na soon guys, no? So aabangan natin yan dahil naniniwala ko guys, kapag na-implement ito is hindi magpapahuli ang community ni Pi Network guys, no? So hindi man ngayon but soon, anytime soon ay possible talaga mag-list si Pi Network dito kay Binance guys, no? And actually nagbibigay na rin si Binance ng mga hint for listing ni Pi guys, no? So makikita natin yung ibang post dito, nagbibigay sila ng hint like kagaya nito guys, no? So bilog siya, and nakalagay lang dito is dream come true but only if you survive the task stage. So wala siyang directly connection regarding with Pi guys, pero makikita natin para siyang Pi guys, no? Hinati, and then matitira na lang is yung nag-iisang Pi guys, no? So ito lang naman yung mga speculation guys, no? So hindi talaga ito isang confirmation for listing of Pi. And kung pupunta naman tayo dun sa isa pang page ni Binance which is itong Binance intern, is makikita mo guys is if you're reading this, you are a real one guys. So so ito guys is acute. So acute angle yan guys, no? T and then yung Pi symbol guys, no? So pag binasa natin acute Pi, so wala rin siyang direct meaning mismo for Pi Network, but nagbibigay sila ng signs and hint guys, no? Then next is if favorite project was a dessert, what would it be? So merong cake and then meron din Pi guys, no? Yan, no? So marami binibigay na signs and possible yun ang meaning talaga nung guys, no? So si Pi Network ang kanilang pinupunto guys, no? So ito lang yung mga iba't ibang mga hints about sa post ni Binance, and hopefully soon is mag-announce sila sa paglilist ni Pi Network guys, no? So lalo na't malapit na yung Pi Day, which is this March 14 na guys, no? So around 6 days na lang yan. So abangan natin ang mga updates ni Pi Network or Pi Core team soon guys, no? So regarding naman dun sa last crypto summit guys, is nakakita ako ng post na ito, so in-screenshot ko siya guys, no? So according to this is binanggit daw ni US President Donald Trump si Pi ng 4 na beses guys, no? At the cryptocurrency summit nitong last March 7, yesterday yan guys, no? And first mention niya raw is around 3:06 AM, and itong sinabi niya guys, no? I heard there's something called Pi Network. A lot of people seems to like it. Then a brief comment on its popularity guys, no? And then second mention niya raw is 315. So ang sinabi naman niya is, I heard there's a coin called Pi and many people are mining it on their phones. Maybe should take a look. If it's good, why not let it grow in the US? And suggesting potential support naman guys, no? And then the third time is I just received more information about this so-called Pi network. They say millions of people are mining it for free on their phones. If that's true, it's a genius idea. Maybe we should invite them to talk to here. Praising the concept and proposing a meeting. So fourth time naman daw is ito guys, no? I just heard more about Pi network from David Sack. They say it's free, easy to use, and millions have joined. Maybe this is what we need to bring cryptocurrency to everyone. Then I'll have my team look into it more seriously. So confirming a serious review. So nakita ko to guys, and nag-check ako sa Google, and I think wala namang ang nangyari lang guys is parang I don't know if it's legit kasi hindi ko rin naman napanood yung ni Crypto Summit ni Donald Trump. Hopefully totoo yun guys, no? Dahil magkakaroon ng magandang effect yun for Pi. At titingnan natin guys kung legit yung guys, no? But I think parang walang na-mention si Donald Trump regarding Pi network. So probably this is just a fake news guys, no? But hopefully maybe some other time is magkakaroon ng connection si Pi network to meet the President of the America guys, no? So ayun lang yung mga gusto kong i-share ngayon, and I hope na nag-enjoy kayo guys and nagkaroon kayo ng idea, lalo na dun sa mga Pi holders natin dyan na may mga hold. So konting hold pa guys, no? So magkakaroon din ng magandang balita soon. And ayun nga guys, no? So kung nagustuhan mga ating video for today is don't forget to give it a like at mag-subscribe ka na rin para lagi kang updated sa ating mga future videos. So see you sa next video guys. Peace!